your body, your what you think that you are.
True.
So when you love the plants, when you love the nature, when you
Can
love
love
the
anything.
fish, when you love the birds, when even while removing a leaf from the plant, we say that, see, this is for some purpose we are taking. Please don't.
God, so sweet of you. So sweet of you.
We must speak with them. You must-
Even they will hear. It seems. I heard.
yeah, they talk with us. We talk.
They feel. They feel them.
Even the birds, even the fish, is all. These are the things which we have. When you have a purity, when you have in thought, in the process of purity, you look things as you, it is everything is. It is created God for us.
I can see the happiness in your eyes, and I can see you are the doctor. I just wanted to know, out of curiosity, you're basically what kind of doctor? You're a natural.
When I'm all these herbal and medicinal plants, mainly our heritage plants, Ayurveda is the main force for the. We are like a mighty lighthouse, this Bharat, because we have the rishis. They brought such a technology. I don't know how they got the technology about the plants. Nowhere in the world you can find. These are the things which each nakshatra has got his own plant. Each Panchabhuta has got his own plant. Each Sapta Rishis, each Rishi has got his own.
Surprising.
Like each Rasi has got his own plant. And Parijatam, Lord Hanuman meditates on Parijat. And even for your milking or the curd to butter milking, that wood is to be used only Chandra. So like that, even for temples, the Dvajastam is a Soma tree. Like even axe for the bullocks use, that is also Vadi tree. Everything is specified.
Somebody told me you are a big Bible to the nature. You have a lot of content, but after this interview, I conclude as you are a big library rather than a Bible.
This is all our Rishi Sanskriti. This is our Bharat Sanskriti. Even you have to take the fire from the wood. We cannot take any wood rubbing that, for Yagnas. This is Agni Manda. You should take only from Agni Manda. That is also, it comes in Dasimulas, like Trifalas. Like, there are Samadhis. These are all used for the purpose of you're purifying your Vayumandal, you're purifying your air, water, your soil. These plants is the only answer to get everything what like Swarg, like Satyug. If you want to get the Satyug, do it. Only plantation with the support of cows. No use of going into pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and this is to be removed from our dictionary. We should go with the having Amrit, like sunrise, see here.
Natural pesticides.
Like these plants, they take sun bath, they take moon bath. That what happens, all amrut they take. That if you take,
Natural feeding.
yeah, this is natural. No, we don't say organic. It's called as natural.
Well, when I was interviewing last night, I had been to many VIPs who are like IAS, IPS, and so and so. I didn't even remember how many people I have been interviewing. Then all of them. Even I'm really excited to tell you. When I was talking with them, they were very much happy. So one person bought 4 villas. I was like, it's very difficult to buy one villa for a family. And I asked him, why you bought 4 villas? Which made you buy 4 at a single place? See, when you have money, you buy in Hyderabad one, Bangalore one, and in Hyderabad, particularly in Pragati Resort, he bought 4 villas. And the answer which he has given me, really amazing. He told, I'm very happy enjoying this heaven. Even I wanted my relatives to enjoy and being in this heaven.
Everyone. See, I want all human beings, not only human beings, every prani. This is the climate what it needs. This is, as a human being, you have no right going to their territory and removing snakes, removing
Spoiling the livelihood.
that link, the biodiversity, that link, you have no right. Once you are breaking that, that's why the biodiversity of the year 2010 came. To see that the biodiversity, that is most important for the human We cannot survive. The plants can survive without human beings. Humans
Cannot survive.
survive without plants.
Yeah.
They understand. That's why they brought this decade as a biodiversity of the decade. With that, it is a people. I am fortunate that people understand today.
The people not only understanding, they are getting impressed and becoming fans of you and your entire theme over here. And even when I was interviewing some foreigners over here, some are from Bangladesh, some UK and all. One guy is like, ma'am, if I can afford, I want to buy a villa over here. See, they're not desperate of coming over here again. They're desperate of living here. So, really,
Beauty of the nature.
Yeah.
See, people say I am struggled and I had a lot of pains to develop, but every second I enjoyed with the plants when it is, when I brought 6-inch plants, today is 60 feet height. And
amazing.
every time I see the branches coming up, flowers.
That's your success.
And the fruits coming up, and then the number of seeds coming. These seeds today, every day we get billion seed.
Yeah, again reproducing.
But this billion seed is the one price is enough to green the earth.